Welcome to this introduction on statistics and probability. Today, we are going to talk about outliers, which are unusually extreme values that appear in datasets. Understanding outliers is crucial for anyone analyzing data, as they can significantly skew results and mislead interpretations. So, what exactly is an outlier? Simply put, it is a data point that differs significantly from other observations in your dataset. Imagine a flock of sheep where everyone is white and there is one black sheep standing far away. In data terms, that isolated point lies at an abnormal distance from the main group of values. As an analyst, it is often up to you to decide what counts as abnormal. The easiest way to spot an outlier is by visualizing the data. On a scatter plot, an outlier is that lonely dot far away from the trend line where all the other dots congregate. Similarly, in a histogram, you might see a large gap between the main distribution and a small, isolated bar at the far end. These visual cues are your first warning sign. Why do outliers exist? Often, they are simply human errors, like typing 1,000 instead of 10. Other times, they come from broken measurement instruments. However, not all outliers are mistakes. Sometimes they represent natural variation, like a person who is exceptionally tall. Distinguishing between errors and real extreme values is key. Outliers can wreak havoc on certain statistics. The mean, or average, is highly sensitive. If you add one billionaire to a room of average earners, the average income skyrockets, but the typical person is not any richer. The median, or middle value, however, is robust. It stays near the center of the bulk data, ignoring the extremes. This is why we often use the median for house prices or salaries. To formalize detecting outliers, statisticians use the box plot. This diagram breaks data into quartiles. The box contains the middle 50% of the data. The lines extending out are called whiskers. Any data point that falls beyond these whiskers is visually flagged as a potential outlier, helping us standardize our judgment. Mathematically, we use the interquartile range, or IQR, rule. The IQR is the width of the box in the box plot. We multiply this range by 1.5. Any value that is more than 1.5 times the IQR below the first quartile or above the third quartile is officially classified as an outlier. Another common method is the z-score. This measures how many standard deviations a data point is from the mean. In a normal distribution, 99.7% of data falls within 3 standard deviations. Therefore, a common rule of thumb is that any point with a z-score greater than +3 or less than -3 is an outlier. Once you find an outlier, what should you do? Do not just delete it. If it is a typo or equipment error, correct it or remove it. But if it represents a real, valid observation, keep it. Often, the outliers are the most interesting part of the data, representing anomalies, fraud, or breakthroughs. To summarize, outliers are values far from the bulk of the data. They can be caused by errors or natural variation. They heavily influence the mean but not the median. You can detect them using box plots, the IQR rule, or z-scores. Always investigate them before making a decision, as they might hold the most valuable insights in your analysis.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.